Our sales and marketing teams are very, very closely integrated, not only on social media, but using marketing technology, using marketing automation. And let me give you a couple of examples. We use Demandbase for IP tracking on hcltech.com. So as soon as a visitor comes to our site, we can easily figure out which vertical is the company from, which industry is the company from, which pages have they spent time on, which customer location are they coming from, and which customer are they. Basis these factors, the lead is then, the cold lead is then dynamically allocated to a salesperson. We use a marketing automation system, and that is what we use to allocate the lead. What the social media team also does is continues engaging with the customer or the prospect on social media and nurturing the lead. We believe in progressive profiling, and the way we do it is every interaction has a point score attached to it and a weightage attached to it. So if a customer has only attended a HCL event, he gets a certain number of points. If he has not only attended an event but also downloaded a white paper from our website, his progressive profiling score is higher than the customer who had just attended an event. And basis these multiple points, aggregate score is arrived at. And once the aggregate score is beyond a certain prefix number, the lead is allocated to sales. And the marketing team is kept abreast with the Salesforce automation system. We run salesforce.com for Salesforce automation. So the sales manager keeps updating the salesforce.com system with whatever is the latest customer interaction. It's a closed loop feedback. We use the update which the sales guy has given to actually further engage with customers.